Look at this soft, soft tum-tum. So puffy. Fluffy. It's a little puffy.
Are you supposed to be on the bed? You are? Do you have a permission slip? Would you like a carrot?
Where's the beef?
Are you air swimming? You don't want spinach? It's good. Hey, Dunk, what are you doing, bud? Huh? Are you just floating? Huh? He looks so funny. Look at you. Look at you. No, no, no. Jake is snoring. Look at him. He partied too hard yesterday.
Oh, your new cage is arriving. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah, your new cage is arriving.
There we go.
Here you go, Bubs. Your first pup cup. Oh. Do you like that? Good boy. Good boy. Tank, look this way, buddy. Oh my God, y'all are so stinking cute. Ginger and Tank. Look at those.
Yuki, are you swimming? Are you swimming? Who's swimming? Oh, your new cage is arriving. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah, your new cage is arriving. Come on. Come on.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious.
Hi. You can come here. Come on.
This is adorable. Ersin, look at you save money this way. Ersin, save money. Save money.
Tank, look this way, buddy. Oh my God, y'all are so stinking cute. Ginger and Tank. Look at those. Ready? Do you love that? Yes. Do you love that? Good boy. Good boy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Stop snowing? There it is.
Are you air swimming?
Oh my goodness.
One more time, okay?
That's
One more time and then you're
hilarious.
gonna rest. Hey, this time.
Chubbies, I know more food. I'm gonna get you, yeah. I'm gonna get you. Hi, Kobe.
Body push. Push. Good. Push. Push. Good. Here. Gus. Gus, come on. Come on.
One more time, Boo Boo. You're swimming.
Yuki, are you swimming? Are you swimming? Who's swimming? Oh, she's so cute.
Good boy. Good job. Good job. Beautiful. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Okay. Right? You good boy.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Or don't. I can't really tell you what to do.
You're swinging yourself. Go, Max. Oh, Max.
more time, boo boo. Go swimming.
Chubbies, I know more food.
George, did you enjoy that?
Not even in the water. He's trying to go swimming.
Noodles? Are you liking noodles? Oh, I love pasta noodles.
Good lad. There you go. A little bit of ice cream.
No, not the cone.
Possum, here's your treat.
Yeah.
Hello, my handsome friend. You like the song? Oh, yeah. It's so nice.
Something. This is Augie's first puppuccino. Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, you get ice cream, baby. Oh my god, this is just the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh, you got stuck on your throat.
You don't want spinach? It's good.
Have you come to say hi? Have you? Have you come to say hello? Oh, so beautiful. Yeah.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Here we go. Here is the captain, co-captain. He's on. Oh, now it's the New Canada Dogs lounge team.
Oh my god! He's so calm. Oh my god! Look how calm. Oh my god! Oh, Shaggy!
Here's Carter. He's enjoying the beautiful day.
skunk? What are you doing, bud? Huh? Are you just floating?
He's wobbly with us thus far.
Go, 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 go. Na 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 na. La vaca Lola, la vaca Lola, ya na cabe.
What you doing? Good boy. Good. Looking out the window. What you doing in that mud? Where'd it go?
Go, 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 go.
Are you supposed to be on the bed? You are? Do you have a permission slip? He's so cute. I know, there's no food. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
One bag. That's what was in the bag. So we call it one bag and we feel kind of bad for Billy.
Ready for swimming. Look at you go. Go. Oh, what a big swimmer. So good. Look at you.
Ernie in the sink. Ernie in the sink. Ernie is in the sink.
Is my baby boy swimming? Yeah. Oh. Oh, good boy. Love you.
This is fine, right? Like, this is cute. But right here, ready? This is cute too.
No. You just drink it. Here, you just drink your water.
Oh my god! Look how tall!
Oh my god. Oh shit.
What you got? You got little booties? Good girl. Hey.
Are you supposed to be on the bed? You are? Do you have a permission slip?
Yeah, she is. She's flicking her face. Are you swimming? Have a go. go.
This is our baby milkshake. Just swinging in a swing, giving no care of the world. We're just having fun.
Shippers, you like the movie? Ship, ship. He won't look away. Have you come to say hi? Have you? Have you come to say hello? Oh, so beautiful. Yeah.
House Speaker Paul Ryan says he doesn't believe in separating families, but that he wants to keep.
It's okay, mate.
Odie, are you swimming? Are you swimming?
Oh, baby, go.
Nuova autista alla guida. Did you like your speech?
Are you supposed to be on the bed? You are. Do you have a permission slip?
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Okay, right? You good boy.
Are you relaxed?
Do you love that? Yes. Do you love that?
Na 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 na. La vaca Lola, la vaca Lola. Ya no cabe.
Here's Carter. He's enjoying the beautiful day. Did you like the stage? Did you like it? Rosie. There it is. There it is. Is that yummy?
First time she's eating a watermelon. Yummy. Oh no. Morgan did it? What made you so mad? I'm sorry.
Puppy ice cream. Oh boy, it's so good.
They tell you what to do.
One bag. That's what was in the bag. So we call it one bag and we feel kind of bad.
Yum, 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 yum.
He looks so funny.
Not even in the water. He's trying to go swimming. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Mom, are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
Sophie. Sophie. What you doing, girl?
Hi, Kobe. Chubbies, I know more food.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello. What you got? You got little booties? Good girl.
Oh, she's so cute.
Feel like he might be too much.
Totally massage your butt now. Good at feel. We're so shaky.
Hi. You can come here. Come on. Look at this soft, soft tum-tum. So puffy. Or fluffy. It's a little puffy too.
One more time, boo-boo. You're swimming.
Jake is snoring. Look at him. He partied too hard yesterday.
Puppy ice cream. Oh boy, it's so good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They tell you what to do.
Are you relaxed? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, lekker in bad. Met de nou ook. Met de shampoo.
Hello, my handsome friend. You like the song? Oh, yeah. It's so nice.
Miss Pink. Getting your first bath.
Oh, you're so brave today.
Dinky Dunk, what are you doing, bud? Huh? Are you just floating? Aw. What you got? You got little booties? Good girl.
Good boy. Good job. Good job. Beautiful.
Oh, yum. Dairy Queen, y'all. Go get yourself a pop cup.
Ready for swimming. Look at you go. Cool. Oh, what a big swimmer. So good. Look at you.
Who's fully vaccinated? Yay!
Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a good little boy.
They tell you what to do.
You're swinging yourself. Go, Max. Oh, Max.
We don't have a baby. This is our baby.
Hello, my handsome friend. You like the song? Oh, yeah.
Ready? Do you love that? Yes. Do you love that?
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, wake up.
You want more? That's a lot in your little mouth.
Don't stop him.